To the third pitch of this session, Chad Hardy. So Chad Hardy is from Snowater and will be pitching around implementation partners for pay-as-consume solar panels. So Chad, can you get into and then extricate yourself from the very comfortable virtual limousine and come to the stage?
Fantastic limo. Fantastic. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Thanks so much for having us. My name is Chad Hardy, and I'm the co-founder of Snowater Solar. So we bring tomorrow's power to you today. Let's jump to the next slide. So very quickly, jumping into our model, what we do is we fully fund and install solar power systems on commercial, industrial, and residential properties. So what we do is we provide the funding, so there's no cost to install for you. We utilize our in-house proprietary software to size the exact solar system that you need for your site's energy consumption. We integrate with smart metering, so we know exactly how much you're using, so we can continue to monitor and recommend improvements and upgrades. We're fully integrated with our cloud systems that come back to our base hub, and we also take care of all the government licensing and regulations associated with the system. So in general, what we do is we'll look at your site, we'll size it up, we'll do the installation and procurement of the equipment, and then we do the long-term monitoring and maintenance of the entire solar system. And you as a user get the benefit of clean power at a substantially cheaper rate than the grid with no upfront cost. Let's jump to the next slide, please. So what have we done so far? So we have 4 commercial systems in operation, and we've rolled out 2 residential systems as well. Obviously, we're saving our clients thousands of dollars a year, which is something that we're quite proud of. And we have built an economically viable environmental solution for people who want solar but can't get access to it. At the moment, we're currently pitching on over 5,000 commercial sites across Australia and looking to bring them on board with us to do a large scale rollout. The beauty of what we've put together is that it's incredibly scalable. We can deploy systems incredibly quickly. Yeah, we'll head to the next slide. Thanks. Awesome. So the generic business model that we put out to everyone is that we can provide you with a 20% energy discount, so on your daytime energy consumption. You pay $0 upfront, so we handle all of the financing and we own the system as it goes in, and we can get you 100% or even greater than 100% clean powered if we oversize the system for your energy needs. What we also do in alignment with the sizing and funding and installation of solar is we've also upgraded our platform to also include batteries. So if your site and you want batteries included with your solar, that's something that we can put together and provide you with the actual modeling of what that's going to look like when it gets implemented. Right? You only pay for the power that you use from your rooftop. And so what we do, our impact on the SDGs, obviously we're impacting number 7 and number 11, we're creating access to clean power, and we're making cities more sustainable. We want to make every one of your sites 100% clean power. We want to save you hundreds of thousands of kilograms of CO2 every single year, save you a heap of money, and have the equivalent planting of new trees all across Australia. The more energy we can take out of the coal-fired power plants, the better it is for all of us here. We'll have to the next slide. So myself and my co-founder, Pat, Pat's been in the clean energy space for the last 3 years, and I've been running technology companies for the last 4 to 5. So we've got some great experience. We've been teaming up together to deploy each and every one of these systems, and we've got a fantastic track record with everything in operation, producing clean power, and moving efficiently. Off to the next slide. Some of our fantastic partners include Schneider Electric, Brisbane-based Redback Technologies, Ideal Electrical, Solomons Flooring, and Rexel. So a whole supply chain of fantastic partners who we also do deployments of solar power systems on their properties. On to the next one as well, please. So what are we looking for today? We're looking to have conversations with people who are in a position that they need a funded solar solution, where you either don't have the capital allocation in your budget, but you want clean energy, or if you are a CFO who is looking to get a substantial amount of savings, or if you are a municipal government that again doesn't have the funds or doesn't own the rights to the buildings, we handle those negotiations. We give the property owner a fantastic benefit with the solar system so that we can do the installation of that power on those properties. It also increases your neighbor rating and makes you a much cleaner operator at large. So on the next slide are my contact details. Feel free to get in touch. This works well for schools, office buildings, manufacturing sites, and commercial retail locations. I'm happy to take any questions later on, or feel free to shoot me an email or a text. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thanks, Chad. Fantastic pitch.